Run, run, run! Hey, fucking idiots!
I said to you sorry, bro.
SK66UUG. Mate, I'm not happy with that. That was a terrible piece of riding.
What?
I'm not happy with what you did there. That was a terrible bit of riding. You can look up your number plates on YouTube, okay?
You was looking to the girl. I said, you was rather look. You didn't look to me. You was looking to the girl.
Yeah, but you can't just overtake and turn across me when I'm going straight and I have a green light. You have to wait behind.
You don't green light. I was before you.
No, you don't get it to go in front of me.
Go to the street. You have camera there.
Yeah, we'll watch. You'll see I had the green bicycle light. You overtook across somebody without giving way. That's your mistake. Anyway, you can find it on YouTube. We'll talk about it then, alright? Left hooked me and hit me.
Who, what?
That motorcyclist.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm alright. Thank you.
And I got this shitty rental bike without lights. I just realized it.
Sorry? You forgot your lights.
No, it's a rental bike. And I didn't realize in the shop that it's